Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can dispute hard inquiries on Credit Karma. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So if you dispute errors in your credit reports, including unauthorized hard inquiries, the credit bureaus are required to investigate, so they are also required to collect information that's found to inaccurate. So if you want to dispute hard inquiries, you can file a dispute with any of the three major consumer credit bureaus, which are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Now, if they have an inaccurate hard inquiry recorded on you for its corresponding credit report, you can simply dispute errors on the TransUnion report through the Credit Karma Direct Dispute tool. But if you are trying to dispute with Equifax or Experian, you will have to directly contact them. So you may also be able to dispute inquiries online, but you will have to either choose to simply mail your dispute either Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Either two of them you can mail them. But if you like, you can look for the sample credit dispute letters online. You can also find the one from the Federal Trade Commission. You can use that to help you to draft your dispute letter. And once you send the letter, if the credit bureau is in question, investigates and finds that your inquiry wasn't authorized, it will remove the inquiry from your corresponding credit report, and you will have successfully disputed higher inquiry on your Credit Karma. So that is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.